and hope all is well. So today's video is going to be a mini update on 36 years old Tamara Geddes. For those who don't know who Tamara Geddes is, about 3 weeks ago she was gunned down and robbed of 16,000 Jamaican dollars, 2 cell phones, and when the person asked her to do sexual favors, she told them no, and she was gunned down in front of her 10-year-old daughter. However, we're now learning that her sister, 39 years old Nadine Geddes, her 2 niece, who is 21 years old, Shanice Ruddock, and the minor, she's 14 years old. That's much I know about the minor. She's been 14. Nadine had given Tashana Young, who is 33 years old, $150,000 to pay a hitman to do the dirty work, so jealousy and whatnot. So far, this is all coming from the newspaper, but I'm going to show you a clip today of the sister going into the court, coming from the court, and people telling them to just, you know, it's really sad. You can't imagine your own sister pay somebody for, like, wow. On to the video.